I'm glad you brought that up. And I tell everybody I talk to when I'm meeting folks who are interested in coming to work with me or just curious about the industry in general. Um, I, I'm transparent as can be, and I tell them the truth. I say you can teach mortgage, but you can't teach the drive.
Hmm.
So either you and whatever motivates that drive. Sometimes it's just a love. What you want is a love of helping people. Okay. um Mortgages is affiliated with home ownership, which is a big part of people's lives. It excites me to be part of that you know um I don't know if people remember me, but it's always rewarding when somebody reaches out to me 5 6 years after and says, hey, you helped me, and I remember you and I want to speak to you again. And to me, that right there is what's rewarding, is to impact people's lives and to do something in a positive manner.
For me, as I think through that, a big part of it comes down to the why. And if I think of whether it's hiring people, bringing people onto the team, you're kind of, why are you interested in this industry, in this organization, whatever it is, and understanding their why. And for everyone, it's going to be a little bit different. Some people, it's purely financial. I know that I can make a great living doing this. Other people, maybe it's flexibility. For some people, it is just what you said. They really want to be able to help people through what can be a complicated process if you try to do it on your own. And then on the flip side of that, as you're working in this specific industry and working with clients, as you're able to have that conversation with them and understand, okay, what's important to you? Why are you exploring working with a mortgage professional? What are you looking for in this process? So you can start to understand, like, I need somebody to help me navigate this. I have no idea what I'm doing, whatever. Some people may be more experienced with it. They just want to make sure to have the reassurances that things will go smoothly. So as you understand that, it helps you to best work with your client